Lily Hunter, and this is my family's Vansformer. We use the Vansformer for all of our weather adventures. It holds weather tools and all kinds of clothing and supplies to be prepared for weather. Get ready to explore all kinds of weather with me. Let's use our hiking boots and a helmet this time so we can climb. Windbreaker. This jacket blocks the cold wind so I stay warm. It's dark tonight and the sky is clear. Let's find the windsock checkpoint so we can see which direction the wind is blowing. Keep going in this direction to find the windsock checkpoint. Use the big sticks you've collected to build a bridge here by tapping this button. Look at this sign. If we go the direction it's pointing, we will find the windsock checkpoint. Press the up arrow key on your keyboard so I can climb up here. Use the rope you've collected to build a rope ladder here by tapping this button. Wow, it's my winter coat. I can use this next time it's cold outside so I can stay out longer. I don't want to go in there until I have a way to see better in the dark. A flashlight would be great to add to my supplies. We made it! And we recorded another data point for our weather records. I'm using my windsock and compass to see which direction the wind is blowing. We can keep exploring for the other weather tool checkpoints or return to the Vansformer with our data. My gloves! Great! Now my hands can stay warmer in cold weather. I've updated our weather information. Great work! With the new cold weather clothing we've collected, we'll be able to stay out in the snow longer and reach more weather checkpoints.